In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Luma AI to create motion graphics. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow that turns your ideas into polished motion style visuals ready for ads, reels, or content edits. First, set expectations about what Luma AI, particularly its Dream Machine model, does best. It's not a traditional tool like After Effects. Instead, it generates cinematic motion from text prompts, animates still images into moving scenes, and automatically introduces camera movement, depth, and transitions. Think of it as your scene generator. The core motion graphics look comes together later when you edit these scenes into a cohesive piece. Next, plan your concept like a motion designer. Break it into short beats so the AI knows what to build. For example, you might start with a product reveal, move into a dynamic zoom or orbit, introduce text with energy movement, and end on a clean brand shot. A simple creative direction like an energy drink can rotating in a neon cyberpunk city with glowing particles and a dynamic camera zoom gives you a strong, consistent thread across clips. When you write prompts in Dream Machine, be specific about movement, light, and intent. A solid prompt could be a sleek energy drink can floating in a dark neon cyberpunk environment, glowing particles swirling around it, cinematic camera orbit, smooth slow motion, high contrast lighting, advertising style, ultra detailed, 4K motion design. Include camera cues like orbit, pan, or push in. Name a lighting style such as neon or studio lighting, and state it's for advertising to push clarity and polish. For greater control, upload a still image of your product or design and ask Luma to animate it. Something like, animate this product with subtle rotation, glowing energy effects, floating particles, cinematic slow camera push-in, commercial advertisement style motion graphics, helps preserve brand accuracy while adding motion and atmosphere. Don't rely on a single output. Generate 5 to 10 short clips, ideally 3 to 5 seconds each. Explore different angles from close-ups to wide shots and top views, and vary the energy effects. Then select the strongest takes. Bring everything into CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or After Effects to assemble the final piece. Add clean text overlays for your brand or tagline, layer tasteful sound effects like whooshes or impacts to sell the movement, and use transitions to connect clips into a smooth, continuous flow. This edit is where your footage truly becomes a motion graphics ad. A few pro tips to finish strong: keep prompts consistent in style, avoid overly complex wording, always include terms like cinematic, advertising style, and smooth motion, and mention brand colors in your prompts for visual continuity across all clips.